Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walk through a bus 4L planer. As you can tell, it's just broken in. It's got that beautiful Statue of Liberty patina on it. We could have painted it and made it look all pretty, but to be honest with you, I actually think it looks pretty cool like this. It's got a lot of character, like a worn baseball glove. This came from the original shop. Extremely well maintained machine. I'm going to say original shop, not necessarily original owner. The business was still 5th generation owned. The owner just retired, and it was his dad that originally purchased this machine. As you can see, you do get the knife grinder. Has a really new stone in it. You get the joining attachment. I also believe we have some more joining stones, and we have some more wheels for it. Knife setting jig, manuals. It's pretty cool to see the bus 4L older versions of the manuals. This particular model has a 24 by 8-inch capacity. Like I said, this owner, he really wanted to replace it with a better planer, but he could never justify it. He used to always say, well, when it wears out, when it wears out. And when I was talking to him when we were loading it up, like he said, they just never wore it out. So you wonder what kind of condition it's in? Well, here's the in-feed rolls and chip breakers. As you can see, these still have a really nice edge. They're not all rounded over. As you can see, I mean, really, it's chip breakers are in excellent condition. Couldn't find any repairs on the machine. There's some replaced hardware, but that's about it. Has a nice 24 by 8-inch capacity. Really deep beds. That's what's really nice about the 4L. 4-knife cutter head. That's really nice. It's not a 3, it's a 4. 15 horsepower motor. 2 horsepower on the drive, 220 440 volt. It's currently wired 220. You do have forward reverse, 2 forward speeds, and you also have reverse. All the old plaques on the machine. Serial number 5272. You do have the micro adjustable bed rolls on there. You do have that built-in oiler. It's complete, works. Do you have a working handbrake right up here, and yes, it does function. This machine does spin for a pretty long time when it's turned off. Dust hood's also included. Pretty clean tables for a machine of this age. We'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can hear, it runs really nice and quiet. As you can hear, it's going to run for quite some time. So we can take this handbrake and just slow up that head. I would say the only thing quirky on the whole machine is there's a barrel switch for the feed speed, and it's just not solid between clicking. It does function. It will function 2 speeds forward, 1 speed reverse, but there's in between it actually, even though it has 3 speeds, there's a couple in between notches. So it takes a little while to get used to where those stops are at. The switch is in really good condition on the side of the machine, but we thought we'd point that out to you. Again, if you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.